Welcome to this quick 2025 guide on how to connect your headphones in a Zoom meeting. Whether you're using wired earphones, Bluetooth headphones, or a USB headset, this tutorial will help you make sure your audio is clear and working properly before and during your call. Let's jump right in and get your sound set up perfectly. For Windows and iOS, if you are using wired headphones, simply connect them and the process will start automatically. However, if you are using Bluetooth headphones, you will need to follow these steps. Pair your headphones with the computer. Join or start a meeting.in, the meeting controls toolbar. Click on the arrow icon next to mute and unmute. There you will find the option select a microphone where you can choose the model or brand of your headphones. Then in select a speaker, choose your headphones as well. For Android and iOS, after connecting your headphones to your mobile device, join or start a meeting. And then at the top corner, look for the Bluetooth logo to ensure your headphones are selected.